So I want to come on here to let you know something that happened to me placing an order at Walgreens. So stay tuned for that because it's not the first time it happens to me, and I tried another account and I think I knew what it was, so I called customer service about it. So before I continue, if you're new here, welcome, like and follow so that you can continue to receive notifications on deals and tips and things I find out, especially about Walgreens, and this is one of those things. So let's move on to the video. So real quick, I tried to place an order for some items at Walgreens, and I did everything like the whole substitution, the payment, everything else. I tried to use $20 of my Walgreens cash for the order and then pay the rest of it with my PayPal, with my Apple Pay. So everything went well. I got to the screen, I made sure, and I always screenshot things because for some reason I get the craziest outcomes and results of stuff. Anyway, so I made sure I got to the screen where it says if you want to use the Walgreens cash, and I picked 20. My balance was $2.36. $2.36. So I clicked on the side of my phone to be able to use the Apple Pay, and it said $2.36 is going to be charged on your account, and I screenshot that as well. And the payment didn't go through for some reason. It happened to me before a couple of times, like about a week ago. It would just go around and around and around. It's supposed to recognize your face and charge the amount. And after like a few moments, then it says it didn't go through or was declined or whatever the case was. So I went back to make sure, and I followed the steps to make sure that it's not going to charge me the entire amount on my Apple Pay. It's just going to charge me the remaining balance after I use Walgreens cash. And once again, I did it. This time it went through quickly. However, it charged me the entire amount. It charged me the whole $22.36 of the transaction. And I thought, okay, maybe once again, I didn't see very well, but I screenshot everything, the process before it charges me and a screenshot of after it charged me, just in case I had to dispute it or something. And then I went to my account on Walgreens, my app, and I double checked, and indeed they charged me the whole $22 on my account. So I'm like, what is going on? Every time I'm trying to use Walgreens cash, something is giving me a problem. I don't know if you guys saw my video before when I tried to do the Walgreens cash on my laptop on the website instead of on the app on my phone, and it wasn't allowing me to use my Walgreens cash. Now I tried to do a transaction on my phone on the app, and once again it wasn't allowing me to use Walgreens cash after everything looked like it was fine. And I don't know. Anyway, I would put pictures here for you guys, but for some reason this app doesn't like me sharing pictures because it says I'm sharing personal information and I can get in trouble for it. It's my information that I'm sharing. I'm giving it to you guys, but anyway, I can't show you that, but just be aware, be careful. Make sure that if you have Walgreens cash, like in my case, that are going to expire in a couple of days, I'm going to lose like almost $25 of Walgreens cash if I don't use it. And every time I try to use it, it's giving me an issue. But anyway, let me know in the comments if you have any couponing questions. If this has happened to you as well, let me know. The result of me calling customer service was that they said to use my phone, or if I could use a computer, but obviously if I use a computer, I have to use a card, like a credit card or a debit card. I want to use my Apple Pay. So that what they said was just open the browser on the phone and do it through there and be able to use Apple Pay. They didn't explain why it was not working regularly through the app, but that's a solution that I can try to see if it works out. So I'm going to try that and see if it works out, because I don't want to lose my money. And if not, I'll just have to go into the store, which sucks because I don't have time like that. But anyway, until the next one, don't forget to smile, and don't forget to like and follow for more notifications. And if there are any updates and I give them to you, you will receive them because you're following. Bye.